when Huawei brought the EMUI 12 to the users, they brought alongside with it the Celia keyboard. Here it is. The Celia keyboard is my main keyboard right now, and I give it a try for about 2 months now. So how is it, the Celia keyboard? Well, if you're a Android user for a long time, well, you know that you have the Gboard, and the Celia keyboard is very similar to the Gboard in terms of, well, almost everything. But one of the biggest problem I have is that the Celia keyboard is, well, it doesn't have a very long time users, and it has a lot of machine learning to do. And one of the problem is that I now want to say the word very. So in the beginning it will show me the word very, but if I will continue with the E, it won't show me it anymore. I go to the R, only then I get the very. Now I want to say a good, very good product. So I will go to the P and the R and the O, and only that I get a product, which is a word that I'm using for a very long time, but I have to written a lot of other parts to get to the word I want to get to. So this is one of the biggest problem I have right now with Celia keyboard, is that it still doesn't have the machine learning that the Gboard had, where you have types of words that you're saying a lot of the time, and the system for some reason doesn't show you those words as the top words that you wanna see or do. Other than that, Celia is very similar to the Gboard. You wanna press the U to get the 7. Here I am, 7. You wanna get to the 8, and you have all the other words. It's very similar. It's like they copied the Gboard, but they calling it the Celia keyboard. And you can get the Celia keyboard only on the Huawei App Store. You can't get it on the Google Play Store, only on the Huawei App Store. So have a good day.